You can get it again.
Yeah.
Okay, so I will repeat it again. Options trading is very important, not for trading itself, but for analysis. It's
Uh,
always important to know that whales, they're getting the first step with options before they're buying the original assets. We have to agree about that. Okay.
they're getting their first what,
Then
sir? You said.
whales are going to buy the premium before buying the original assets.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. It
Yeah.
means when they're going to buy S&P 500 futures, they're going to buy the premium, the options for S&P 500 first. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
When they're
Mm-hmm.
trying to buy Tesla, they're going to buy the premium of Tesla before they're going to buy stock itself. It's just
Mm-hmm.
like that. So
Mm-hmm.
options itself, it's not just for trading. Options is very important as an analysis tools. Okay.
For the entire market.
For the entire market, whatever it's commodities, stocks, ETFs, whatever. Okay.
Understood. Understood. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. This is number two. This is fact number two. Number one. Fact number two. Trading volume is the only fact in this market. Volume never lie.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Volume always give you the realities. Always give you the facts. Okay, so as much as you can trade or understand the volume, you can get the market cycle easily. Okay, get
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're going to work in two parallel directions. One of them is the options trading analysis. Okay.
Mm.
Second, depth of market tools. When we are talking about depth of market tools, we are talking about volume analysis, footprint, delta chart, volume profile, imbalances related to footprint. So this is 5 things that you have to understand. When you are talking about the quant options, quant analysis, we have to understand first net premiums. I mean, you get the full picture of all the options we have got. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Including heat map, which give you,
Yeah.
map about the liquidity available on every strikes. Okay. Number 3, gamma, which is part of our tools. It's not the main thing that you have to use.
Yeah.
So when you depend on gamma only, it's not, I mean, it's not alone. You cannot depend on it on alone. You have to use
Yeah. I
with other
understand.
tools. Okay.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And also we've got number 4, which is the algo trades. The algo flow. We will give you an idea. 5 things you have to ensure the contracts, depth of contract. For example, when you get a call option or bot option, you have to know, is that the option? Is it buy option, buy call, or it's sell call? Is it a buy bot or sell bot? Because when you get this information, I mean, not the right, I mean, not you will not go in the, you didn't get the right answer. Maybe you will be, you're going to do the opposite, which is not true. Okay. So
Yeah.
you have to understand that. You have to understand that the contract itself is very important to understand how it's going on. Okay. So today, what I'm going to give you right now, a couple of 5 minutes, I'll give you an idea about the full picture, how I'm analyzing the markets, how to start, which tools I'm use, and then we will go step by step getting more details about all these tools. Okay.
Okay,
So
sure. Yeah.
first, is that screen is it clear for you?
Yeah, yeah. Showing, yeah.
Okay. So first, you know that I'm not working with ONSA anymore. Just
Yeah,
for-
yeah. Yeah, yeah. How come why'd you leave, sir? Like that argument or something? Or
They are just piece of shit. You know, they're suddenly telling me this son, I mean, this fucked up son, he told me, we are not giving, we are not making good money. So for me, that's enough. You have to go, and I will get all the money for myself. That's it.
oh, that's what he said, eh?
Even we have a contract together, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to judge him and give him lawyers, and then we'll pay a couple of more thousands of things. We have a contract, but he's just a fucked up. I mean, I don't care. I forget about him. He don't know anything. You know, he
Yeah.
didn't anything. I'm following you the English chat, okay,
Yeah.
and there is nothing inside. Man, what's going on? I mean, this is just some nothing there.
Yeah, yeah. He doesn't really help too much. I know. Yeah, he doesn't care.
He
Yeah.
doesn't not help. He don't know anything. He don't have
Yeah.
anything. He just only have scoop, which is nothing.
Yeah, yeah.
He doesn't have any idea about the tools that I have designed all these tools. I'm not just giving analysis and live sessions every day. I've implemented all these tools. I mean, ONSA 1 year ago, they only have Gamma. I have added the AI request thing, I mean, data, options breakdown, I've subscribed with unusual wells and tree ticks, and I have do many things on, you know, forget it. I just that he's a fucked up and forget about him. Let's focus
Yeah,
on
yeah.
our cause. So I've I have designed my own community on Discord,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I'm planning also to launch the English version with it. So maybe you can be the first one. Okay.
Yeah,
So
100%. Yeah.
let's start with the Discord here, and I will show you what's going on, how to can start analyzing the markets. Okay, let's start with the
Yeah.
SPY, SPIX, QQ. First, you have
Sure.
to
Yeah.
understand that you cannot analyze only one thing. Always, you have to analyze three things together.
Three
SPX,
things.
okay,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
SPY, QQQ. You should analyze three things, okay? Because they are moving parallel. Sometimes one of them, they will give you the first signal, okay? So you have to follow both the three things. SPX, SPY, QQ. It's very important, okay?
Right. Okay. Yeah.
So the first thing that you have to do is to analyze the heat map. Heat map will give you an idea about the trading range, okay? It's give you
Yeah.
an idea about the liquidity, and it will give you an idea about the market direction sometimes. Of course, I'm not dependent on it 100%, but it's giving you a good idea. So what I'm going to do, if you are watching the screen right now, I will do like, flow heat map, like slash, you will choose flow heat map, and you will do like SPX, okay? Time
Yeah.
frame, like you've done daily, and then enter and wait for that. So this is at number one. What you can see is something is very easy. It's not that complicated. Is that it's giving
Yeah.
you an idea about what is the liquidity is available on the S&P 500. Okay, so you can see that the liquidity is available from 4,500 on the to 5,400, and it will give you an idea about the liquidity available. Okay, so for example, for today, the liquidity today it was so much too low. It wasn't that much. It was too low. Okay. And
And too low is under 1 million, sir, or?
it's not like we will have. I will show you what's the numbers that we got. I mean later. So
Okay. Okay.
it's like that. For example, when you have 5,200 that we've got today from the market opened, it's give you an idea that most of liquidity is available in 5,200 and also it's available on 4,500. 4,500 is too much. I mean, it's too. It's too far away. It's far away from the current prices. We've got today. We were ranging. I mean, the market when it's open today. All right. Yeah, market is just open with the 5,360. Like that was the high here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you can see that the liquidity, where is the liquidity here? Where is the place where we've got the most liquidity? 5,200. Okay. So this might be the target for today because we got a high volume at this place. And this is could be also a good support. Okay.
Which one's good support, sir? Can you say that again? The
5,200.
minus.
Yeah.
So
This is for
minus is
today.
sell, right?
It's not like sell. It's like there is a sell more than buy. Whatever it's
Yeah.
it might be if you sell for example, it could be like selling calls, buying
Mm-hmm.
puts. Combined
So it's like
together and we'll get the net.
Yeah, minus is resistance then. Or sorry, support. Support.
It's based on the what is it exactly? So when it's under, I mean in the below, when it's below the market, it means it becomes something like it's a support. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And it could be also the place where the price could go to there. It's like it's just like it's like the magnet. It's like a magnet where the price should go. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to consider the place. What about tomorrow? What about tomorrow? Tomorrow we have 5,000. It's too much. It's a very big number.
Mm-hmm.
So what does it mean? Because we know how much is the price right now?
5,000. Now it's at
Okay.
5,272.
It means that the 5,000 will be a very, very strong support. We have to consider it for tomorrow. It's very, very, very difficult for the price to break down the 5,000 because there is $41 million at this place. It's a very big number. Okay.
Oh, this is a dollar amount, sir, right? Okay, got it.
Yeah, it's amount dollar. It's amount.
41 million. Okay, cool.
Yeah, which is a big number, which is a very big
100%.
amount.
Yeah.
Okay. What else?
Yeah.
We have also 5,400. So we have 5,400, which is in minus also.
But it's going to be resistance.
Yeah, exactly. This would be a very strong resistance to consider.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to say that 4,400 is a very, very important place as a resistance. I will remove other lines to make it show that everything would be clear. This is for tomorrow. So we just identify that the high liquidity it's available on 4,400 and that 5,000. As that means that when you got the 5,400, it means that price will go there. It's not like that. It's just telling me that the market, even if it's going to go up, will not be able to break this level.
Okay.
Because people, they are selling calls at this place. They are doing like they are selling calls at this place. So it's possible that the market tomorrow will not be able to break up this level. It's very important. It's very difficult. So we just
Understood.
identify. So it's basically that right now, what we've got from the heat map right now for tomorrow, okay, is that we just identify what is the range that price could move through. Okay, so we can see that for tomorrow, 5,400 is a big resistance. It's a very important resistance. And down we have 5,000. Also, it's a very important support.
Support, yeah.
Yeah. So this is number one, that we've got this information from heat map. We can get even for the following periods. So we got for next week, we've done some, like, we've got data for the next week, or maybe it's next month. It's the monthly data. It's giving an idea. So for example, if you are going to trade based on long term, it's not long term, it's like a mid term. So
short term, yeah,
it's a short term. So yeah, heat map can give you an idea about also the liquidity regarding. But of course, when you are trading like these products, like the S&P 500, for me, it's better to do it. I mean, day trading. It's better and it's more, because things it's been changing all the time, especially with your crazy president that you have right now. Okay.
Yeah.
He's totally crazy.
I'm in Canada, sir, so he's not mine.
Okay. I forget it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, your crazy neighbor.
Yeah, crazy neighbor.
Yeah, crazy neighbor. He didn't feel anything. I mean, he's been enemy for all the countries, especially even Canada.
Yeah. He wanted to buy Canada, he wanted to buy us. Yeah.
Yeah, to be 56 state.
Yeah, 50. Yeah. He wanted to become state. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
That's crazy, man.
Crazy guy. Yeah. He's a businessman, so he wants to make US #1, right? So
Okay. Forget about this crazy, but I'm telling you that the market right now is not stable because of what's this I mean, about regarding Trump. I mean, announcements and actions that cannot be predicted. So it's very difficult to predict the market direction when you get someone who can shock you anytime with announcement. You were sleeping, you don't know, suddenly you wake up and things becomes up and things maybe goes down because of what he say. So it's very
unstable.
difficult. Yeah, it's very difficult to do some stable business, or you can depend on long-term investments. It's very so for me. Basically, I think that trading on short-term day trading is the best things that you can do. Okay.
Short term. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. I have a question, sir. This heat map is pretty much the same thing as gamma, no? It also shows where the net.
I will tell you something. This is just a heat map, and you cannot depend it on it. Okay, it's just give you an idea about the what is the liquidity, what is the range. I mean, okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Gamma is more fast. I mean, heat map, yeah, it's okay, but gamma is more reliable. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So number one, we are talking about the heat map and how we can identify the market direction, market range, and easily we have the understand now what is the high liquidity. When you get the liquidity on options, we understand the market is focusing on the 5,400 on 5,300. Okay. But which is the most important here is the 5,000, 41,000 on 5,000. This is very important place. Okay. And of course, yes, 5,300 is still is a very attractive resistance.
Yeah.
Just give me an idea. Okay.
Yeah.
So as I told you, we have 5,400, we have 5,000, we have also 5,300 is very important. 5,200 is still important. Regarding what's happened today, 5,200, it was a very important place. You can identify that even the market will reach this level, it's goes up. Okay. This is for today. Okay, what next? So this is heat map is the first step. It's the first step that you have to do when you identify the market. What's next? Next is to identify the gamma. Gamma is very easy. It's also important, but it's not everything. Gamma is not everything. Okay. So when you go to answer, because I'm still not have gamma in my website, I will make it. I will get it next week maybe. So go to answer and get the data and go to options. Okay. Can you see my screen here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I go to SPX and I will try to get the information about tomorrow, not for today. So here we go. There are three sections here. The first one is the option breakdown, which give you an idea about what is which option chains we've got more liquidity for today volume. So for tomorrow volume, as you can see, the 5,400, it has the high liquidity. Is it the same that we got in heat map?
I think, yeah.
5,400, yeah, you can see here.
Yeah.
So this is a very, very strong
Support. Oh, sorry, resistance, right? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very strong resistance that for sure price will not be able to break it. It's too difficult. And you can see even here is the with the open interest. We have 5,400, we have 5,300, 5,320, and 5,200, which is today that we got. What we got with the gamma is telling you that the market is going down totally. Why? Because all what we have here is only bots. Maybe market is also considering bots. So we get 5,400, 5,375, or 5,250 is still down, and so on, also 5,200. And we've got 5,150. So when you see gamma like that, you have to understand that the sentiment is negative.
Yeah,
You understand
we
it?
can see the 5,200 here, sir, and just say that's the biggest one, so we can only consider that one, no? Or
And no, you have to consider all the peaks you've got. So
the
this
big
one,
ones.
this
Okay,
one, this
okay.
one, even this one, you have to consider it. But the most important one is the 5,200, which is bot. To
Mm-hmm.
understand it. Why? Because it's bot. All of them are bot. Bot, bot, bot. This is the only one is called, and it's even, yeah, it's bot. It's all of them that are bot.
Mm-hmm.
So what's next? You have next that we have to understand of if those contracts is it a sell or buy. So you have to understand the gamma. It doesn't mean that it's a support. It could be the attractive place. It's like a magnet.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a magnet. So price will go to the gamma. Okay. Sometimes it's just a support. It doesn't mean that the price should go to the gamma. It doesn't mean that. Sometimes it's a magnet. It means the price should go to gamma. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes it's only support. It means that when the price go to this place, you have to buy. So you have
Right, okay.
two opposite things. One of them, it's a magnet, so the price will go to this price.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's a what? The price will,
Support or
it's
resistance.
a real support.
Yeah.
How we can understand that? Because you cannot depend on gamma itself like that. Okay.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
So next step that we have to do is to use my Discord also to go slash contract and like to like an SMBX, which okay, we have to check 5,200, 5,250, 5,150, and all of them are bot. Even 5,300. Okay. So what I'm going to do is to do like strike 5,200 bot. Have to be B expiration, which is 04, but like 17. Of historical days, like it's 2 days, it's enough. And then let's see what's going on to. So what we can see here, we can see here that first they buy the bot here on the 15th of April, and then they buy the bot. They are buying the bot. Why they are buying the bot? Because it's an ask. It's not on bid. I mean, the latest trades is buying the bot. Okay.
I don't understand that, sir. Isn't it green means they're going long, no? Or
When it's green, okay. Here we have SPX 5,200 bot.
okay. Yeah.
How we can identify if it's selling bot or buying bot? The only way to understand that, to know that we have to identify the contract itself. You have to investigate within this trades into this contract, which is the 5,200 bot. Is it a buying or selling or mix?
So we have to look at that on the options chain, or we can find it from here.
No, option chain will not give you this information.
Okay.
Option chain will not give you. This is why you need to choose to have such tools like that. Okay.
Yeah.
So again, what you're going to do is to do slash contract SBX 5,000 150 bot, which is the other gamma. Okay.
Yeah.
Expiration is April 17. What's going on? Contract SPX. SPX. Bot. Expiration is April 17. Historical days for 3 days. Enter and wait. This tool will give you an idea about the latest trades into this specific contract.
Right.
So you get the history of what's happened to this contract from the 14th of April up to
Yeah.
today.
Green is they're buying the put, red is they're selling the put, right?
Exactly.
Right. Right.
And what we have to understand or we have to focus is the latest things that's happened.
Uh-huh. Selling the put.
So in 5,200 bot, he's buying the bot.
Right.
He's buying the bot here. He's buying this. Okay. With the 5,150 bot, what he's doing,
Selling.
he's selling the bot. Is that right?
Yeah.
So here he is buying bot. Here he is selling bot. Okay. What about 500, 250? Let's investigate about it. Contract. SPX. 5,250. Bot. Why we are selling its bot? It's not call. Because gamma is down.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Expiration is April 17. How many days are you going to use? 3 days. So this is the last, the other gamma available. Okay, you can see here it's okay. It's even sold. 520. No, it's not sold. Maybe. Yeah, could be sold. It's sold. It's selling bot more than. It's selling bot more than buying bot.
Yeah. How come it's a green on the top like that, sir, on April 14th? What does that mean? All that red, then a little bit green at the top.
It means that we have a mix. A mix. It means that
Like,
some contracts they are selling, some of them they are buying, but the majority here is, for example, here the majority is buying, where the majority here is selling. The majority here is selling more than buying at this
right.
specific time, at the specific date.
Okay.
So this is this contract or this graph is giving you an idea about what is the history for this specific contract.
Right. Yeah.
And you can get more than 3-4 days. For example, I can check out the contract for more than 7 days, which is the maximum we are at now. I will check the same 550 bot, but the expiration date is will be 04/17, but I will take historical days for 5 days, for example, to get more information. Okay, so here I've got more information since the 10th of April up to yesterday. Okay, so you can see that the majority of trades on the 14th of April, it was selling bot. So let's come back to the gamma again. So here we have a sell, buy, sell. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try to think about it. When they are telling me that 550, 500, 150, 5,150, which is here, It's selling bot at this place. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
5,000,
150. Yeah.
5,200. It's what is it? Forget it. 5,200. What is it? 5,200 bot. It's buying. It's a buying here. Forget about
Yeah.
this one. So I'm getting this one, as support places. So it's basically it's giving me an idea that the market direction will go down. Why? Because when we are getting this information about this special contract, which is the 5,200 bot, which is buying, it means that the market maker will try to reach this level again. It's like it becomes a magnet right now because it's a buying bot. It means the buy
Mm-hmm.
price will go to this price. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
But
what's going to be happen when the price go to 5,150?
they're selling,
Considering
buying,
5,150,
selling. Yeah.
he's selling bot. What does it mean when we have a selling bot at this place? What does it mean?
It's gonna bounce, right?
Yeah?
Is it gonna go lower or bounce?
Is it a magnet or it's a support?
Magnet?
No, it's not going to be
Support,
a
eh?
magnet. A magnet only. It's a if it's if this contract is buy bot because he get the benefits of price drop. Is that right?
Oh yeah, he wants the price to go higher, right? Okay, okay, okay.
But when you have a selling 5,100 for me, it means that he will fight. Price will not break down this place because he will lose premium.
Yeah, yeah. I understand. Yeah.
You understand what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. He wants the price to go higher now, right?
Exactly. So this will be the support. So this is not a support. Even if it's the lowest gamma, even it's the lowest gamma, but this is not the place where price may reverse up.
Mm-hmm.
It's the opposite. Price will go to this level, will go down. Okay. But the price will go down, but he might be not able to break down 5,150 because he will fight that this premium will be crushed. It means that he get the benefit from burning this because he's selling bot. Selling bot, it means that he will fight for this premium to be, disappeared or burned.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. But for 5,200, he's buying the put, sir, right?
5,200 is buying the bot, but in
That's why you say
5,100,
magnet.
exactly.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But
Okay.
for 5,150, it's not a magnet,
He's
it's a support because
because
the
he's selling.
market maker is selling bots. It means he get the advantage that price will close higher.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I understand. Yeah.
What does it mean for 5,250? It's a sell bot. What does it mean?
He wants it to be higher too, right?
It means that he will try a price to close above this level
Yeah.
because he's selling bot easily.
Yeah, he wants it
Okay,
to be higher. Yeah, yeah.
okay. But generally, what is the direction of the market tomorrow?
Short.
Hmm?
What's the price now, sir? Where's the price
No,
now again?
no. What is the market direction for tomorrow?
We're gonna go short, but we want to see a bounce too, right? Like a support.
Okay, but what is the direction generally?
Uh, I don't know. What do you mean by that?
Down,
Like down.
down,
Yeah, yeah,
down.
yeah.
Because we most of the contracts we've got is a bot contracts. Is that right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, okay, okay, okay. That's what you mean. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, especially that the 5,200 is a buy one. So the market will try to test this place. Market will go to
Mm-hmm.
this place. And he will find a resistance into this place, 5,300. It's a resistance.
For tomorrow, yeah. That
Yeah,
5,400, sir. That was not for tomorrow, eh? Say
yeah,
that.
it's telling me that the 5,400, which is the highest liquidity, we can see the heat map, if you remember. You
Yeah.
can see that for 5,400, it has the highest liquidity.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's return back to the heat map. For tomorrow, the 5,400. Here we go. It's very, very negative. It means that it's a very, very negative. It's it's very strong resistance right here.
Resistance. Yeah.
For
Yeah.
5,300, it's a positive liquidity. It means that 5,300, it could be, I mean, positive. Let's check out with the contract specification with it. Let's do like contract. You have to understand how to make the inquiries, okay?
Mm-hmm.
SBX, like at 5,300, is that right? Let me just check.
300. Yeah.
Yeah, 5,300 with 9 million. I wanna check your ad. If it's what expiration is 04 for 17. So it's the April 17, which is the tomorrow date. Okay, let's take 2 days. It's enough. And I want to check what is it exactly, and we can ensure what is it going on with this contract. So you can see is the contract is sell. It's even sell. It's the same thing. It's sell. They are selling the sell is more than buying. Is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. But how come you put instead of call for from the heat map, sir? You looked at the heat map and you said put.
A heat
Why?
map, it's including call and bot at the same time. It's giving you the net.
Yeah.
Okay, but I'm investigating on a specific contract here.
Puts because you know the overall direction is down, right?
It's not just like a down, it's just like we got a gamma on this place.
Down too. Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
which is the majority or the it's most of it, it's 5,300. It's like a
Puts.
it's
Yeah.
what's and we've got buy here, yeah? Is that right? We have a
Mm-hmm.
call. Yeah, I'm getting some calls also. Okay. Let's check a call because I'm getting call even. I just noticed that.
Mm.
So let's investigate on call option as well. So it's 5,300 and we will pick call C. And like we got 04 of the 17 and 2 days. And days we got 5 days, for example. And see what we've got. All right. What we've got here.
Selling call.
Okay, you wanna know which one is more important? Get the price. Price here is around 45 with around 12,000 contract. Okay,
Yeah.
so we got here around 50,000 contract, which is in the price of 140. So by comparing the bot and call, you can see that most liquidity is available in 5,300.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because the volume is higher. Okay. Also because the price is also is bigger than the price with the bot. So this is why I'm telling you that 5,300 contract call is the main contract. Okay, can you give me an idea what does it mean when you can see like it's such a big amount of call at the 5,300? What does it mean? And it's all of that is sell call. What does it mean?
It's going to be like a attraction, right? It's going to be
Is it a
attracted to,
magnet or it's a resistance?
I said resistance,
Why?
because the other contracts we have too, it's also
No.
supporting that. No?
Forget about that. What does it mean for this contract to be
Because
very
the
important?
because this guy will only make money if it goes below the 5,300, right?
Exactly. The market
Yeah.
maker will not make money unless the price will close below 5,300.
Yeah.
Okay. And because I mean, it's very clear. It's very, very clear that this, I mean, the fall here or the data here is it's sold only. It's only sell.
Yeah.
Okay. Or does it mean?
Yeah.
It means that the market maker here will be fighting to make this level. I mean, it's like a strong resistance.
Yeah.
So
But
when we are saying that the trend direction is down, is that right?
yeah.
So in case the price will go to 5,300, I'm sure will be a big good place to sell from there, whatever
Sure.
it's futures or buy bots.
Yeah.
Why? Because it's a huge number here. It's a big number here. It's a bot, and it's in gamma. It's very important in gamma, and also there is a huge amount of selling calls at this place, which is bigger than the buying.
But how come on the gamma it shows puts is bigger, sir? Do you know?
Yeah, he's saying that the market makers are considering into the bots more than on calls. Market makers, they are looking for the bots itself. They are targeting down. Okay, but at the same time, 5,300 as a call, it's a resistance.
Okay.
You understand what I
Yeah.
mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why?
Is there any way that we like when you do this every day, sir, do you choose like all the high volume contracts or do you choose the top 3 or top 4?
You have to consider gamma all the time.
Okay. It depends on gamma.
Yeah, but gamma has a very, very dislike things, which I don't like it. With a gamma, it's always moving. It's not stable. Is that right?
Yeah.
So rather than using gamma, it's good for the exact entry at the exact time. This is you can use gamma. But for trend direction, heat map is more important. And there is more important than heat gamma, which is the other things that I wanted to tell you about, which is the net flow. Net flow is
Yeah.
BX. It's given how many days for next 3 days. And this one is going to give you the full picture of what's going on. Okay. So let me describe to you what's happened today, so you can understand how it's very useful tools. This is really amazing tools to understand. Okay. So you can see the price is moving like that, and then what's happened? Negatively, it becomes more than positive things. It becomes this is indication that the negative is more than positive. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this is what caused the price to drop down. because of the negative area here. Why? Because bot is getting higher while the call was stable. That means that we have a trend direction down. So price, when price get to 5,360, 5,400, this is what that was the best place where you have to sell. Why you have to sell? Because it's like you have a divergence.
Yeah.
While the price was moving up, market makers start buying
Selling.
puts.
Buying puts. Yeah, yeah. They want to go
This-
lower.
This is why price dropped down today. This is for me personally. I have get benefits from selling calls. I'm always like do some complicated trades. It's not like I'm doing buying calls or no. For me, I'm selling calls. I like to burn the premium itself. I want to get
Yeah.
theta in my site.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I understand. Yeah.
So I'm doing like it's a credit spread if you heard about it.
Vertical spread. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's a credit vertical spread. I'll give you an idea about what I've done today.
You buy one and you short one, right?
Yeah, but short is more than buy.
Short is more than buy. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I get the premium, the full premium. I don't know where is it exactly. So I got the full premium when price goes down. Becomes
Yeah.
zero, so I get the benefit from the credit. It gets to my bucket directly without any
Your
complicated.
your favorite is the net flow, sir, right?
What is it?
Your favorite is the net flow, right?
Yeah, this is one
Yeah, yeah.
of the best things I have done. This one
Yeah.
and also another one is which algo flow. I will show you.
Yeah, I can tell that you like this one, so that means I'm gonna focus on this one here.
Yeah,
Net
you
flow.
focus on this. Will give you. I mean you see a movie. You know, they can see the trailer with the movie. Give you an idea about what's going on generally.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah,
this will
yeah.
give you the story of everything.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Understand. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah. So this is will give you the end. I mean, give you the memory. You don't have to go into the details. I don't want to say that from the beginning. I mean, you have
Yeah.
to
Learn.
understand all
Yeah.
the other
You have to
tools,
learn. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
but this one, this tool is very, very important that you have to focus on. That is give you the full story. Okay.
So if I just use net flow and gamma, sir, I should be in good hands, you think, or?
Exactly. You just to combine of them, but for me, it's still not enough. Why? I'll tell you why. Because I'm also
Yeah.
using photo print and imbalances. I'm also still have some tools telling me that I have a bearish direction,
Uh-huh.
which is photo print. Did I tell you about that before?
The footprint chart?
Yeah.
No, I don't even know how to I don't know how to use that one. No.
It's a big story because I depend on it. Same thing. I mean,
Oh
this is one
yeah.
of my main tools I'm using. So
Yeah.
you have to understand how to use it. This is one. Can you see my chart?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There we go. This one. And that's it. Photo print. Photo print is giving me details into the candle itself. Give me the full story with the candle itself.
Uh-huh.
And I'm summarizing it. I mean, the imbalances here. Imbalances, it means that you have a wells. It means that you have a block orders. Like we've got like this one. It's a block orders here. I have a block order even here. Okay. So I'm summarizing this into the chart here. It's the same. What is it? It's imbalance. It's something else. I have to tell you about it. Imbalance, it means that in special prices, you get all the time, you have got some supply and demand. Is that right? So
Supply.
when you
Yeah,
get,
yeah.
when you get a supply more than demand, it means that price will drop down. So it's based on real data. It comes from futures, which called order flow. It comes
Order
from
flow.
order flow. Okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So I'm summarizing this photo print into my chart. So the dot here, it means that the supply at this place is more than demand. So this is giving me an idea that price will drop down. This is something else. I mean, this is what I tell you, because I told you that we have two things. We depend on two things. First one is the quant analysis based on option analysis. Is that right?
Yeah.
And the second thing is that we call it depth of market, order flow analysis. So you can see that I'm using many things and combine together to have an exact entry.
Exact idea of what's going on. Yeah.
Okay. So
Got it.
that's it. Just give you an idea about some quant tools I'm using. I will need to describe the net flow further for the next session. Okay.
Yeah.
So hopefully you get benefit today from the information.
No,
I'm giving you.
today, yeah. I appreciate it, sir. I learned a lot. I understand how to use the tools. I'm gonna start using it tomorrow, for futures. How do you think I should start building my equity, sir? Because initially, basically, I'm starting from zero, everything. So like, should I use futures and like build up my capital and then?
Yeah. I'm telling you, man, you have to start growing up your capital by winning some challenges like Top Step and these challenges. If you can get some capital from these, and then you have to change it to options. But you don't have any options. All you need to do is to trade these. I mean, this one is a Top Step or whatever. This is the only way that you have as a young to accumulate some amounts of money.
Yeah, but even when I have capital, sir, you don't think I can stick to futures? Like maybe I do options part-time, or what do you think?
For me personally, I prefer options. It's less tension. For like it's the spread vertical or it's credit vertical. It's less tension, more reliable, guaranteed profit. Futures is more tension. It
Yeah,
needs, yeah. It depends on your personality, you know. I cannot tell you that this one is better. It's better than other.
yeah. Like how much do you think that I should save up to go to options, or like in dollars or?
Yeah, well, we got to options. You can start with 2,000, for example. Yeah, it could be a good. It's a good amount to start with it. 2,000.
Yeah. And the same methods and using futures use here in options and just do the same thing pretty much. I just need to learn the vertical spreads that you're doing, right? So I can have limited
Yeah.
downside.
This is. I mean, for spreads, is the best way to grow up your portfolio. I'm sure.
Yeah.
Because futures is a high volatility, you know. So
Yeah.
for me, I think, as I told you, it's not. It's based on your personality. For me, in my age, for example, I became more. I don't like to be tension into futures. I really like to be in options, which is more
Relax.
reliable.
Yeah.
Yeah, more relaxed. But for you as a young, yeah, you can test your future. Maybe it's more profitable. But of course, future is more profitable to be insured. You cannot,
Yeah.
get the benefit. Future is more profitable. But as I told you, you have to start with the futures to grow up your portfolio with these Top Step and those things, and then maybe you can get your personality into options. Option it's the best way with spreads and these things to grow up your portfolio. I mean, in the
Long term.
future. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm only trading one micro, sir. Is that like because they only have so much little wiggle room. So I'm trying to build it up one micro, and then as the trade's winning, then I add more position, 2 micro, 3 micro. I don't go like minis and stuff like that. That's fine, right? I don't go.
As a beginner, you have to start with the less as possible. I mean, try
Yeah,
to go
okay.
with the micros is better than go minis, especially when you have a limited amount of money. No, I don't think a good idea to start on e-minis directly.
Yeah, right, okay. And this advanced course we're doing, sir, it covers all the courses you have, right? Like everything is covered, or?
No, I don't think so. I think this is will cover only the quantitative analysis only, which is related to quantum analysis. For the I mean, footprint and depth of market, this is an independent course, to be honest with you. It's not from
It's a
you, it's from the institute. I'm working with the modern money experts and they just separate the courses, you know that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
But
Yeah,
for me,
yeah.
I think with the quant analysis, it's more important than the other analysis. But for footprint, yeah, you can get that later, maybe.
Yeah, for now this is okay, sir. I can focus on this, right?
Yeah, you can depend on it for if you can use it very well.
Okay, sure. Yeah, okay. And then next time you're
Okay.
available, sir, let me know, and then maybe Friday or Saturday, I don't know, whenever you're.
You have to coordinate with Ryan. He will give you what's the next one, next session.
Okay, sure, okay.
Okay, to complete what we've got, and then we see what to do next.
Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you so much, sir. I know it's late
Yeah.
there. Thank you for coming on.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.
You too, sir. So thank you, sir. Bye.